What's up? So, I've been absent for the last 6 months right now, and because I've been really busy with my business, with work and stuff like that, and I haven't had so many times to publish something here. So today I want to give you a review of my phone. I bought the iPhone 15 back in October, and I want to give you like a 6 months. Review or update and what I've been doing with the phone, how I've been keeping it, how it works with the battery, camera, how much I used it, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first up, the build. The build, it's quite nice. I really like it. It's made out of aluminum with glass in the front and the back. I really like the back because it's frosted glass, which it's not as a fingerprint magnet as the iPhone 13 that I had before this one. On iPhone 13, it was like a fingerprint magnet. I sometimes use my phone without a case because that's how I like it. And when I used it without a case, it was like fingerprint magnet. It was fingerprints and mess all over it, and I didn't like that. So, yeah, this one I really like this. I've been using it without a case for like 2 months now. The first 4 months I was using it with an original silicone case, but now I decided, oh yeah, let's fuck it and let's go without a case. Without a case, let's go with the naked style. I'm really careful with my phones. I had the iPhone 13 for 2 years and I haven't broken it or anything like that. I haven't dropped it. Uh, had had some scratches. Every phone that has have scratches. I'm currently not using a case or screen protector. I'm using just a naked phone, like how it came in a box. And yeah, the build, I really like it. Yeah. So the big news with this phone is that it has an Type-C port because of the EU regulations. Apple had to implement a Type-C port, which I love. I like the Type-C port. It's a 2.0 speed. It's not an amazing Type-C. It's like the same, like the Lightning port, the same speed, but it's Type-C. So transferring files is kind of the same thing. I sometimes transfer files from my external SSD. I have a Samsung T7. I sometimes transfer some photos, some videos on there, and yeah. So it's a good port. It's really convenient. I have a lot of like my MacBook. It's Type C. My camera, my gimbal, my everything. It's Type C. So I have a lot of Type C ports, Type C cables. But I have so. But the thing is that I currently have the Apple AirPods 3, which are not the Pro ones. Come on, focus. Okay, which are not the Pro ones. And yeah, this is a Lightning. This is Lightning here. Lightning. Focus. Yeah, it didn't focus. So, yeah, this is the only problem. But this has wireless charging, which I charge it on my nightstand every night. This is the only inconvenience that I had with this Type C port. I haven't yet upgraded to the Pro model with the Type C ports. It's I already have this one. Works really fine for me. I don't like the ear tips, and I really love this design. So yeah, another feature on this base iPhone 15 this year was the dynamic island, which I really like. I like the animation that they made. I like the usability of it. When I'm in a call or someone, I'm using my phone and someone is calling me, I only see that nice design, that pill shape design there, which I like. I really like. The usability when listening to music, I like that too. The usability to change from the dynamic island, the song. Another usability would be the timers. I don't really use a lot of timers, but it's there. It's someone maybe using it, likes it, stuff like that. I'm not using it that much, and yeah. So I love the dynamic island. I love how it looks, works. The display is amazing. Let's get to the display. The display, it's what do you expect from Apple? A good display. It's made, I don't know, by Samsung or something like that. And I love this display. It's an OLED XDR display. Has nice bright colors. It's I think it's 2000 peak nits brightness outside, something like that, which is great. I sometimes I had some instances when I was at the full brightness and I couldn't see that very well in the sunlight. But most of the time, it's great for me. So I love the display, but the 60 hertz on this, it's not amazing. I would like to have the promotion displays, but I did not get the pro models. Only the pro models have this on 20 hertz display. I like the 60. It's okay-ish. Maybe this year we get the base iPhone 16 with 120 hertz or maybe 90 hertz. It would be an improvement. But yeah, this is what we get with this display. So let's get into the cameras. The cameras are really nice. What can I say? I never use my cameras on the phone. I use it really rarely. I'll put some pictures on screen to see some pictures that I took. These pictures took especially for this video because I don't really use my phone camera that much. I use my mirrorless camera for taking pictures, or when I'm in a vacation, I use my mirrorless camera for taking pictures. So I'm not using that the phone, even though it's really convenient to have it in your pocket and then take it out of the pocket and just taking pictures. I'm used to using my camera, so the pictures here are okay in my perspective. The front camera needs a little bit of work. I don't like the portrait that much. It's a nice feature, but I don't use it that much. The cinematic and action mode are really nice. I like those. It gives you like a mirrorless vibe, like a nice video on it, But it's not my cup of tea. I like to use my mirrorless, my separate lenses for different scenes and stuff like that. And yeah, so not my cup of tea. The phone cameras. Maybe someone uses the phone cameras, uses it all the time. It has nice 4K modes, 4K 30, 60, 25, 24, has everything, slow motion up to 240 FPS, action mode, cinematic mode, everything. It's nice, yeah, but how I say, I don't use it. I use my main cameras for shooting photos and videos. So yeah, that if that is something that you're interested on, I'll make maybe a comparison with my mirrorless camera, which is Canon R7, and my iPhone. I'll make a video about it, and we'll see there. So yeah, and now let's get into the battery. The battery, it's great. It's amazing. I woke up this morning at 7 in the morning. And now it's 3 o'clock. I woke up with 100%. Right now it's around, come on, focus. It's 94% right now, which is great. Still, I didn't use my phone that much. I can get with this battery until tonight, and maybe I'll plug it in. I'll not plug it in tonight. Another problem that I had with this was, another problem. A problem that I had with this was the night battery drain. Sometimes I left my phone on my nightstand and not put it to charge, and yeah, sometimes when it was like 25%, I would wake up with 17, 16%, which is not great. I don't. If I'm going to sleep with 25%, I maybe expect to wake up at 20%. that drastically. Maybe sometimes it's lower than that. So yeah. Now let's talk about performance. The performance of this phone, it's amazing. I really like it. I love how it moves and stuff like that. But the only problem that I had with regarding performance, it's that it's kind of slow on keyboard typing. I use Romanian as a predictive because I'm Romanian and I talk with my friends. And when I try to use it on WhatsApp, iMessage, Facebook Messenger, apps like that, even Instagram, when I try to use it in these apps, and I text really fast, I type really fast. My typing it hangs. It hangs there for maybe couple of seconds, 1 second. It's unnoticeable, but you can see it that it hangs. The problem I saw with this iPhone 15, with the 15 Pro that a friend has, I even had this problem on my iPhone 13 with the iOS 17. No, I believe it's an software problem, not as much as a hardware problem, because the hardware in this is great. It's an amazing processor, enough RAM. It's a great performance phone. It's a flagship, nonetheless. This was the review. This is the iPhone 15 base model, 128 gigabytes. If you want to buy this one, it reached the half of its cycle. It's a great upgrade if you're coming from the 11, 12, 13, 14, maybe 14. That's a maybe there. Maybe you like to upgrade it because of the next island. But that's it. The performance is the same. So and another update is the camera. It's a 40 megapixel camera. So if you are taking pictures, as I said, I'm not taking a lot of pictures with my phone. I use my mirrorless. So a video will come out will come with a comparison between my mirrorless camera, which is an R7, and my iPhone 15. So I see you guys in the next one. I hope I will post more content over the next months or weeks. So I see you guys in the next one. So peace.